Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you. Yes, good evening, everyone. My name is Skyward. If you are seeing this video for the first time, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, making money from home is what everybody wants now, because even at your home you can make more than people that work 9 to 5 daily. Yes, because with Clickbank affiliate marketing you can make $4,000 and $5,000 weekly, and on a daily basis you can make up to $700, $600, $500, even at the comfort of your home. Yes, I don't need to do much, because with my software you are going to be having access to more than 2,000 organic traffic daily, and it will promote your affiliate link or products to this targeted organic traffic for you to get commission on a daily basis. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course. He got it on the 31st of July and starts earning on the 1st of August. As you can see on the screen, this is a beautiful result. Yes, so my software works by gathering targeted organic traffic online daily and promoting your affiliate products with this targeted organic traffic for you to get commission. Also, my software can work with any affiliate marketing platform, and also the Clickbank alone. It can work with JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Shopify, or any affiliate marketing platform, as far as you want to promote a link or a product to people who will need it. Because in my video course, I've recorded the complete video course that will guide you step by step. Even as a beginner, you will know how to go about Clickbank affiliate marketing and making this type of sale just in 24 hours. In less than 24 hours, you can make $500 at the comfort of your home with my video course and my software. Yes, because my video course contains step-by-step method which starts from you opening a Clickbank account to use picking the products that you're going to be promoting, and how you can select targeted traffic, and how you will know people that really need the service and product you want to promote, and for you to get great commission. All the secrets and hints behind being a successful affiliate marketer is embedded in my video course. So my video course, for you to have access to my video course and software, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through number you can see on the screen to get started and start earning even as a beginner from home. Yes, you need no experience for you to make money online anymore, because with my guidance and my software, you're going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Yes, remember you can always contact me on my Gmail, skyward271@gmail.com, or my Telegram through the number you can see on the screen for more information about Clickbank affiliate marketing or about my software to get started and start earning from home. Once again, I go by name Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online.